Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact crane model and laying out the replacement parts so you don't interrupt the flow later. Power off the VR garage, switch the controller into repair mode, and engage half-speed testing to reduce risk. Now check the winch cable, hook, motor mount, and control relay for obvious wear. You need to know whether it's mechanical, electrical, or a control issue before proceeding. Once done with initial checks, remove the safety covers and organize screws by location so reassembly is flawless. Disconnect the motor and perform a quick 3V bench test to confirm operation, and use a multimeter to verify relay continuity. This tells you whether to replace the motor versus swapping a relay. Then examine gears, pulleys, and spool alignment for bent teeth or misrouting. Replace or realign parts before reassembly to prevent repeat failure. Reassemble the crane in reverse order, making sure bolts are torqued to the game's specified range and cables routed without kinks. This restores mechanical integrity. Restore power and run full-range test cycles first at 0. 5 speed, then at full speed. Observe for smooth motion and correct sensor feedback. If issues persist, check electrical connectors and in-game debug logs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.